Underwood Coon Dog Memorial Park.
Back in 37 on an Alabama hill.
This is it.
Great stuff.
Laid his best friend down in the hunting woods outside the town. He tipped his hat and said goodbye. The tears he never tried to hide. He never dreamed that years would show. He'd start the place where good dogs go.
True Blue Troop belonged to Michael Collins. It's a big neck. These make me sad.
Every stone has a faithful name.
Oh. There's another one. Sykes Tequila Sunny Delight.
One last hunt where the moon shines low.
There's this collar.
That's where the good
And this one, we can't even tell what it is. But anyway,
300
this is the
hounds
little,
now
little
resting
graveyard. Mr. B's doing his exercises. Ah, and it's a beautiful day.
every marker
It really is.
tale of muddy boots and wagging tails. You can't get in by luck or fame. A real coon dog earned that name.
I'll go up here and get this. No, thank you.
Time trail
There's Duke.
following every
It's owned by Noble Hester out of Russellville, Alabama. The Grand Night Champion, Quinn's Pearl. Here's Larry with one
Called Bear.
called Bear.
I bet they named him after Bear Bryant. Roll Tide.
A bear's resting here.
Yep.
In loving memory of Blaze. Born in 2002, died 2013. Blue Blazer. Owned by David Lederman of Buffalo, New York. This one's actually got a food bowl. Hunter Jones, owner and friend of
stories grow a little more each
a
year.
particular car,
And every life
some kind of a champion. Hammer Time Red. Born in 04, died in 13. If he treed in a mailbox, you'd better open it and look because he's got him.
some say there's
This one has a little raccoon statue. Grand Night Champion, Blue Flash Jr. and Blue Flash. This one died in 97. This one died in 01. This one was born in 91, December 85.
they're chasing
It's pretty cool. A Grand Night Champion, Creek Bottom High Ball, English Coonhound. Owner, Eric Sneed of Alabama. I'm not quite sure what city. This one is a Grand Champion, Crooked Oak Inn. And a UCK Night Champion, owner Jerry Bolton.
We're all about the same.
Yeah, Jerry on this one. This one. That's Tootsie. This is Ann. And this is Ruby. And here's one called Bean Blossom Bud. Also owned by the same man. Straight Talking Tex, Hank, Preacher. You know, this is really a special place for a lot of people who laid their dogs to rest here.
You know when there's an outhouse, you're in Alabama and in the country.
Hey, what's it look like on the inside?
Let's see. I don't think it's usable,
Yikes.
but
Oh,
hey, we've done the Coon Dog Cemetery. You got it off of your bucket list?
yeah, I love it. I'm so
pretty-
glad we came.
It's pretty cool.
It's very cool.
All right, let's show them here what the little statue behind us is. This was donated by the Russellville Cut Stone Incorporated.
Can you hear that? He's got a coon dog in the back of his car truck. maybe he's sad. Okay, we're leaving the Coon Dog Cemetery.
Yes, we are. Hope you enjoyed it.
I hope you enjoyed that little visit to the Coon Dog Cemetery. We had a lot of fun. It was a lot more fun than we thought it was going to be. It was on Kat's bucket list, so now it is scratched off.
If you enjoyed it as much as we had fun making it, we hope that you like and subscribe and share with your friends. We hope to see you on the road. Keep smiling.
And happy trails.
He had to hunt. Back in 37 on an Alabama hill, an old hound named Troop lies sleeping still. Underwood laid his best friend down in the hunting woods outside the town. He tipped his hat and said goodbye with tears he never tried to hide. He never dreamed that years would show he'd start the place where good dogs go, where the good coon dogs go, beneath the pines where the cool winds blow. Every stone has a faithful name, every hunter feels the same. One last hunt where the moon shines low, that's where the good coon dogs go. 300 hounds now rest in peace, their running days forever ceased. But every marker tells a tale of muddy boots and wagging tails. You can't get in by luck or fame, a real coon dog earned that name. He had to hunt those nighttime trails, following every winding trail. Stories grow a little more each year, and every lie brings laughter here. If you listen when the whippoorwills sing, you might hear an old hound's bark again. Some say they're still running free through those Alabama trees, where the good coon dogs go, beneath the stars where the cold streams flow. Their work is done, their race is run. They're chasing moonlight one by one, until my own day's over too. I'll remember every trail they knew. That's where the good coon dogs go. I'll hear old True leading the good